Ever tried opening a Twbx file in Tableau Public and been met with a wall of disappointment? Let's crack the code on why that happens and explore some seriously useful workarounds. First, the reality check. Tableau Public doesn't directly open Twbx files. Think of Twbx files as complete packages, including data. Tableau Public is designed to work primarily with data already connected to the platform or directly from cloud-based sources. So, how do we bridge the gap? The key is Tableau Desktop. Open your Twbx file in Tableau Desktop. The full version. This is essential, as it allows you to access the data and visuals packed within the workbook. Next, navigate to the File menu and select Save to Tableau Public. This action will prompt you to log into your Tableau Public account. A crucial warning: saving to Tableau Public makes your workbook and its data publicly accessible. Be absolutely certain you're comfortable with this before proceeding. Sensitive or proprietary data should never be uploaded. Once saved, your workbook will be available on your Tableau Public profile. You can then share the link with anyone, allowing them to interact with your amazing visualizations. By understanding this process, you can effectively leverage Tableau Public to showcase your data storytelling skills to the world. Even when starting with a Twbx file, now go forth and visualize.